Hello friends, so in this video we will see about the chamfer. So for that let me type here chamfer, CHAM. So you can see on the top here the chamfer command comes. So just press enter. Now you can see here the current chamfer distance. Distance 1 is 250, distance 2 is 200 mm. You can just adjust your distance just by clicking on the distance. So you can see here you can just put your first. It is asking you, it specify first chamfer distance. You can just put anything as per your convenience. Let me put as a 200 mm. Just press enter. Now it specifies second chamfer distance. You can just take any value. I am taking as a 200 mm only. Just press enter. Now it is saying to select the first line. So I can just select this one, right? Now it is saying it is saying to select the second line. So just select this one. So you can see that's how you can just make your chamfer, right? You can just adjust your distance, CHA. You can just adjust your distance just by clicking on this distance. See, just click here and it is asking you, it will ask you for your chamfer distance, right? Let me take 100 this time. 100 and 100. Just press enter, select the first object, select the second object. So that's how you can use basically chamfer option, right?